Rule of Cyrus the Great. I am Muhammad Usman from Moonlight International Publication House, and thank you for joining me here. Today I will introduce the rule of Cyrus the Great in a very brief manner. I know this topic is very vast, but in today's lecture we will be having look at the salient features of his rule. यानी आज की वीडियो के अंदर हम जो साइरस द ग्रेट है उसके रूल को जो है एवेलुएट करेंगे, उसको एक्सप्लेन करेंगे. Dear students, Cyrus the Great is considered as one of the significant rulers of the ancient time. He is known for his military conquests, enlightened policies, and lasting contribution to the Persian Empire. He also laid down the foundation of Persian Empire. यानी Persian Empire की बुनियाद भी Cyrus the Great ने जो है वो रखी. He came into power in 55-9 BCE. Or when he came into power, after assuming the power, he set about expanding his kingdom. He embarked on the policy of expansionism, due to which he conquered many areas such as Medes and Babylonians are one of the toppest areas conquered by Cyrus the Great. So now moving ahead, his rule is also renowned. He is also very famous for his religious tolerance, for his diplomacy, as when he conquered any area, history tells us that he never forced anyone to accept his religion, his ideology, his culture, his traditions. Everyone was free to exercise his or own religion or beliefs freely under the empire of Cyrus the Great. In addition to this, he introduced many significant reforms, like he appointed local rulers who were known as satrapies, local governors to run the affairs of the empire at that time. And this policy turned out to be very successful for this policy turned out to be very successful for Cyrus the Great. इट वॉज वेरी सक्सेसफुल, यानी कि उसने जो लोकल रूलर्स थे उनको गवर्नर जो है अपॉइंट किया. आल्दो उसकी एम्पायर नहीं थी, इसलिए उसने लोकल्स को ही हाई पोजीशन दी और अपनी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन का जो है वो हिस्सा बनाया. इफ़ वी टॉक अबाउट द लेगेसी ऑफ द पॉलिसी ऑफ द साइरस द ग्रेट, वी कैन सी दैट ही मेड his empire glorious in multiple factors which cannot be explained in today's lecture, but some of the significant aspects have been discussed in this video. So with this we can conclude this topic, and we hope to see you again with a new topic of history. Thank you very much.